downtown, downtown, downtown. I won't tolerate that tone. Pick up the phone, but I ain't gonna listen. If you raise your voice, boy, I'm dismissing. Tired of the attitude, tired of the talk. If you keep it up, you'll find me on a wall. You're asking wrong questions, tripping over lies. I'm not gonna play with you, no compromise. I don't tolerate disrespect, not today. One wrong word and I'm pulling away. I'm not gonna argue, I'm not gonna stay. If you raise your voice, I'll walk away. Downtown, that's the sound you'll hear. When you don't respect me, don't come near. Downtown, downtown. I'm hanging up the line. You raise your voice, now you're out of time. Ask the wrong questions, it's respect me too. Downtown, I'm done with you. I won't tolerate it, not today. You try me once, you won't get your way. Downtown, baby, I'm not your fool. You better recognize I'll make the rules. You got one chance, you better make it right. Talk to me wrong, I'm not gonna fight. I won't scream, I won't shout, I won't beg. But when you disrespect me, it's over the edge. I'm not your option, I'm not your choice. Don't raise your tone, don't raise your voice. If you keep it calm, we can work it through. But if you cross that line, I'm cutting you loose. I'm not gonna argue, I'm not gonna stay. If you raise your voice, I'll walk away. Downtown, that's the sound you'll hear. When you don't respect me, don't come near. Downtown, downtown, I'm hanging up the line. You raise your voice, now you're out of time. Ask the wrong questions, it's respect me too. Downtown, I'm done with you. I won't tolerate it, not today. You try me once, you won't get your way. Downtown, baby, I'm not your fool. You better recognize I'll make the rules. Don't raise your voice, don't test my patience. I'll hit that downtown with no hesitation. I won't play these games, I'll walk away. Disrespect me once, you won't get to stay.